In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment option in Google Forms. This is a handy process, especially if you're looking to manage event registrations, sell tickets, or even conduct surveys with a paid entry. Don't worry, it's straightforward and should take just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening up Google Drive. This is where you can organize all your forms, sheets, documents, and much more. Once you're in Google Drive, look towards the upper left corner. You'll see a button that says New. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Google Forms. After you click on Google Forms, opt for a blank form. This gives you a fresh slate to start with, allowing you to customize it to fit your needs. Next, one important step is to give your form a distinct name. This ensures that your respondents know exactly what it's about. Just type in a name for your form in the title field provided at the top. Once you've named your form, consider what kind of information you need from those filling it out. It's always a good practice to start with basic questions, like asking for their name and email address. You need to make both of these fields required, so respondents must fill them in, leaving no room for missing information. You can easily make a question required by toggling the required button next to each question. Once you have those essentials set up, it's time to head over to the Settings button, which looks like a gear icon at the top of your form. Click on it, and you'll find several settings you can customize. What you want to focus on right now is the Presentations section. Here, you can add a personalized touch by editing the confirmation message. This is the message respondents will see once they complete the form. It's a great place to thank them for their submission or to include any additional information. Inside this confirmation message, you should paste the link to your payment processor like PayPal or Stripe. This directs users on where to pay after they submit their form. Once you've added that link, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your changes are preserved. Now that your form is set up, it's time to make it live. Click on the Send button in the top right corner of your screen. After you've sent your form out, it's always a good idea to preview it. Make sure everything looks good and functions as expected. No one wants to deal with glitches when they're trying to make a payment or fill out a form. If you're looking for an alternate method for payments on Google Forms, you might consider adding a QR code that links directly to your payment gateway. For this, simply type in a payment option question. Then click on the Add Image icon that you see, browse your files, and upload your QR code. This method adds versatility for those who prefer to pay using their mobile devices directly, making it super convenient. For a more integrated approach, you might want to explore using an add-on like Payable Forms. To install this, click on Get Add-ons in the top menu. Search for Payable Forms and go through the installation process. Once you've installed it, log in with your email, complete the setup, and then return to your Google Forms. You'll find an option that allows you to configure your payment settings. Set up your payment provider by toggling the form settings, ensuring that the provider you've linked up processes payments seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated a payment option with your Google Form. This setup maximizes both functionality and user experience, allowing you to collect payments efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy form building. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video so you can stay updated on all my latest tips and tricks.